Over here we have a dirty stove top. And today we're using super clean products to show how good they actually work. So guys, you might be wondering why this is not a car video. I recommend super clean for anything you do in your house to clean up with, anything to do with cars too, except not the paint work. Just be careful if you decide to use it in your car, but it's good for oily, messy jobs. Check out Super Clean. Here's their website, link in the description below. Also guys, this product is very good. I enjoy it. My wife likes it because it is the best product we've ever seen. So use it for anything, automotive, household goods, like your mechanic shops, like anything. They even have an oil dry thing where you put this oil dry stuff on the ground and it picks up oil from the ground, and that way it's easier to clean up. So check them out guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I actually have a giveaway coming up. If it works out super clean, I have a giveaway coming up on Christmas, so you don't want to miss that. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the giveaway. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 6 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.